You've relied on QuickBooks Desktop to help run your business. And now, when you use Payroll with QuickBooks Online, you can manage your employees, offer benefits to retain and attract top talent, and boost efficiency. And you'll never miss a beat. Payroll gives you the flexibility to pay your team from anywhere. Plus, you'll get the peace of mind that your data is protected. Since multiple users can access QuickBooks Online at the same time using one sign-in, you, your team, and your accountant can all collaborate from anywhere. QuickBooks Online Payroll, time, and your accounting data all seamlessly connect, so you can boost efficiency and save nearly 4 hours per week. Let's say you're hiring a new employee. We'll send them an invitation to sign up for the self-service portal, QuickBooks Workforce, so you can begin setting up online payroll right away. Then just upload their employee files and you're all set. Reduce routine tasks by having your team log their hours, see when they got paid, and check accrued vacation time, all in the Workforce mobile app. When an employee clocks in at a job site using the Workforce app, their hours are recorded in QuickBooks Online Payroll, so you can be confident your pay and tax info are reliable and can be easily accessed all in one place. You can then review and approve employees' tracked time and schedule payroll to run automatically with next or same-day direct deposit for employees with fixed schedules. Plus, your payroll taxes are calculated, filed, and paid automatically with 100% accurate tax calculations guaranteed. And with tax penalty protection in QuickBooks Online Elite, you can rest assured we've got you covered. We'll pay up to $25,000 if you receive a payroll tax penalty for any reason. Also, you can offer your team 401k plans and other benefits to retain your best employees and attract skilled applicants. If you're moving from QuickBooks Desktop or another payroll provider, let our experts help you move your data. And if you're using QuickBooks Online Payroll Elite, we'll set up payroll for you. If you have questions later on, we'll be standing by, ready to help, from setup to tax time. Save time by streamlining everyday tasks. Skip the manual data entry. Because payroll and time tracking data seamlessly connect, you can cut payroll-related costs by over 4%.
Using QuickBooks to do our accounting and time tracking is great because they're really connected. I can see who's working how many hours, they're getting paid right away, and I can make sure we're not going over budget all in one screen.
A more flexible and efficient way to pay your team on time, every time, with QuickBooks Online Payroll.